all alone with the thought of you. Thought I'd miss you more than I do, but I kinda like it. Should I try and hide?
Everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the Lush kitchen box for December. I cannot believe we've already done another year of these boxes. I absolutely love doing the Lush kitchen boxes, but I do feel that it makes the year go by really quickly because we've done 12 already this year, which I cannot quite comprehend. However, this month's box says reach for the stars, and I honestly just cannot wait. I have seen no spoilers and no sneak peeks. I cannot wait to dive in. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So this is the inside of the box. I'm very intrigued to know, is this going to be space themed? Are we going to have Space Girl? Are we going to have Intergalactic? I don't know. I am just so excited. So I'm just going to get rid of the bits that tell you what's inside because I like a surprise, as you guys know. So diving into the box, the first thing we have is a tote bag, it looks like, which I love a tote bag. Anybody who reads or loves to do a little bit of shopping, we love a good tote bag. So the first thing in the box is this. It says Out of This World on it and it just looks really cute. Love it. We'll definitely use that. Very much my vibe. It's black, it's Lush themed. What more could you want? So now let's dive in to the actual products in the box. I am so excited and I've just seen something which looks so incredibly interesting. I'm gonna have to pick it up first. Oh, I cannot cope with how adorable this is. Okay, I am floored. This is, I can't get over how this looks. That's insane. This is the Intergalactic Body Scrub. Just take a look at it. That is absolutely incredible. So this one says, a Milky Way of skin softening butters swells through a castor sugar galaxy. And ingredients wise in this one, it has castor sugar, fair trade organic cocoa butter, extra virgin olive oil, mango butter, peppermint oil, grapefruit oil, vetiver oil, cedarwood oil. I mean, I know what it's going to smell like, but I'm so excited to smell it. And it just looks incredible. I just feel, look at that. Oh, that's so good. It's almost got like a creamier intergalactic smell. Like it's not overpoweringly pepperminty. Like it's definitely peppermint. Oh, it's a weird texture. It's like smushy. Oh, that's incredible. Take a look in there. Honestly, look at the colours of this. I cannot get over it. But look, if I push it, can you guys see the texture? It's like squidgy. Honestly, that smells delicious. 10 out of 10 Lush. This has floored me. Amazing. Next up, let's dive into another. I don't want to say this is going to be last month's box, but it very well might. Okay, the next item we have is Celebrate Body Lotion. I love the smell of Celebrate. It really takes me back to working for Lush. It's got that really lovely orangey smell. Ingredients wise in this one, it has almond oil, fair trade organic cocoa butter, glycerin, orange oil, lime oil, orange flower absolute. I have to smell it. I know what it smells like. It's just pure Christmas to me. This is what it looks like. It just looks like your kind of average creamy body lotion, but honestly it smells kind of like, it's hard to describe it because it is definitely orangey, but it's really lovely and it's kind of got a creamy smell. Oh, it's so good. I absolutely love the smell of Celebrate. To me, it really just takes me back, as I said, to working for Lush at Christmas time. It's the same scent as Golden Wonder. So like smelling that, it just reminds me of Christmas. I'm obsessed. The only thing with Celebrate body lotion, and I've always found this, is a very thick texture. So if you don't like thick body lotions, you probably won't like this, but I am obsessed. And putting this like on your legs after you've shaved in the shower, incredible. The next item we have, I'm gonna have to open this because I simply cannot wait any longer. I've spotted this in the box and I feel like if you are an OG subscriber or you've watched many a Lush kitchen unboxing, you will know what's in this box. And it's either going to be something along the lines of a pillow spray, a perfume, something small in a glass container that's delicate that needs to be put in a tiny separate box, and I just cannot wait to see what this is, and I'm just scared I'm going to faint of joy. So let's have a look and see. It's not going to come out. Oh my god, are you joking? Guys, I can't honestly. We have got Space Girl perfume. Are you actually kidding me? I have been dreaming of this moment. Let's smell it. Just need to... Oh my god. That smells insane. That's exactly like the bath bomb, obviously, but that is edible. That's so good. You guys need, Lush, if you're watching, make this permanent, because I will buy this in buckets. That is incredible. I cannot even describe it. If you haven't smelled Space Girl, it's a very sugary, it's a sweet smell. It's just a very fizzy smell. Oh, so incredibly good. I will read you the ingredients in case you can like work it out, but it has got grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, almond essential oil. Delish. 1,000,000 out of 10 just for this. I am so excited and very impressed so far. This box is incredible. So next up in the box, oh, okay, do you know what? I was thinking recently, I feel like we haven't had a solid soap in a while. I do think I might be lying and maybe we have had one recently. I can't remember, but we have got a solid soap. This is interesting. Oh, what is this? Why can't I work out what that is? I feel like we've had that smell before. I'm gonna have to look at the sheet. Ooh! So this is the Fruit Punch soap, and ingredients wise in this one, we have got coconut oil, rapeseed oil, alcohol-free gin, dried juniper berries, juniper berry oil, lime oil. It's so good. It's like, I mean, I don't want to say it smells like a fruit punch, but it does. It's a very gentle, fruity smell. That is delicious. I absolutely love that. So good job, Lush, on the soap. I definitely needed a new one, so highly impressed with that. And last but definitely not least, we have a bath bomb, and this is the most beautiful bath bomb I have ever seen. Look at that. It's like a really pretty purple colour with these gold sort of stars on the top. So pretty. This one is the Jingle Spells Bath Bomb. I'm kind of glad they have put in like a little bit of Christmas. This one has juniper berry oil, ylang ylang oil, tangerine oil. Why does it smell like a garden? I can't say it's my favourite. I love the way it looks and I definitely will use it. I'm not gonna lie, like I absolutely love the look of this, but it does have, well actually, I don't know. It's got quite a lot of tangerine in it, like I can really smell that tangerine oil, and it's kind of giving off like, I don't know if it's the mix of smells, but it is kind of giving off garden smell. But it does smell good. It's just a bit, it's like nice with a hint of garden. So it's not my favourite, not my least favourite, but it's beautiful. So I'll let it slide. I will let it slide. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for December. I honestly feel very overwhelmed and very, very impressed. I mean, the Space Girl perfume alone is enough to give like a 10 out of 10, but even the Intergalactic body scrub I feel like is so fun, so different, and that is why I subscribe to these boxes, is because I want to see stuff that's different, that's fun, that's unique, that no one else is going to be able to go and buy, and I just absolutely love everything in this box. So 1,000,000 out of 10 Lush. Love it. Let me know down below if you subscribed to this month's box, and I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on all the products down below. I absolutely loved it, so I would love to know your thoughts as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to join my corner of the internet, and I upload 1 to 2 times a week, mostly Lush and book content, so if that interests you, make sure you subscribe. That is everything. I am gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Hello.
Ryan's gonna do a smell of all the things. This is gonna be like an end cut right at the end.
Right.
Fruit punch soap.
That's pretty good.
It's good, isn't it?
I'm excited to use that.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're not using it. I'm joking. Ah ha ha. I'm good. Smell again. Delicious. Oh, I got a tote bag as well.
I like all the labels.
Cute little tote bag.
Oh yeah.
Celebrate body lotion.
I'm a bit on the fence with
Are you
that.
joking? It's orange. Chocolate
Yeah, I know,
orange.
but there's a certain part of it which kind
Not a
of
fan?
smells like bad breath.
It's probably just you.
It's probably.
This one to me, right? This one to me is tangerine. No, sorry, it is tangerine, but to me it smells like a forest, like dirt. I feel like I'm over exaggerating. I don't not like it. I just feel like.
No, I know what you mean.
Do you know what I mean?
It's
Like
very earthy.
it's like if you dropped an orange in the ground and smell it.
I wouldn't. Yeah, but I wouldn't smell that and go, wow, orange.
No.
It looks
Intergalactic body scrub. Look at the colours.
I'm impressed with the labels.
Isn't it good?
That That.
Such a nice touch.
That's a chrome label with a satin laminate. That is.
Yeah. Why are you confused? Is it because it didn't look like how you thought it would? Wait, it smelled like how it looks.
Yeah, I was expecting orange.
Why are you expecting orange?
Because everything else is orangey.
Space Girl perfume.
Nice.
This is good stuff. Do you
Yeah,
want to
the
smell
shit.
it? Yeah. Do you
Go
want
on.
to smell it?
Go on.
I don't want to like waste it. Half of that just went on my leg. Wait, let me let it settle. Just give it a sec. Good. Ready?
It smells sugary.
Yeah.
Yeah, that smells good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells.
That's nice.
To me, it smells like those sweets, not palm violets, but the other ones. You know the ones that you get with a palm violet? They come in like a little pack.
What are they called?
They're like fizzy something.
Yeah.
And that's all. Finished.
Cool. Good to see you. Bye.
Good to see you. Bye.
Wide awake in an